Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, this is Badger. Badger's substituting for Mookie this week, but don't worry, Mookie will be back next week. Today I'm making a Dole Whip with rum. If you ever had a Dole Whip, they sell them in Disneyland. They got them all over Hawaii. I actually had it once at the Calgary Stampede. It's just sort of tastes like soft serve pineapple ice cream. And I got the secret recipe, and I'm gonna add rum. And this is it right here. So through the power of YouTube, we're gonna go back in time, and I'm gonna show you how I made my Dole Whip with rum. What do you think about that, Badger? All right, stay tuned for that. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the Lake. Today we have Badger substituting in for Mookie. I have some Appies for Badger to keep him occupied. But the big people are going to have some salmon lox with cream cheese on bagels with capers and red onions. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Mookie and I'm Chappy, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.